everybody, I'm Eileen Hull and I'm here at CraftStash today. I want to show you how two different ways to use your gift card folder and label number 2. One cutting it out of mat board and one cutting it out of paper. It is a ScoreBoard die, so it is going to be able to cut that thick material, mat board, chipboard, heavy felt, leather, whatever you like. And we're also going to show how it works great with paper too. So what I'm going to do is get my die cut machine. I have my die here. You probably can't see what it looks like, so I'm just going to get my mat board ready and then we'll cut it and you'll see the different score lines. Okay, so the materials that we're going to use today are a piece of cardstock, double-sided. Doesn't matter, it can be single-sided. Here's the die, and we're going to use a piece of Sizzix mat board and also a piece of the Sizzix adhesive sheets. So what I'm going to do is just peel off the backing, if I can, and I'm going to put my adhesive on my mat board, and then I'm going to put my paper on top. And the reason I like to do that is it will cut everything all in one shot. So I'm going to look on my die and see, I don't think I am going to cut my card. I'm going to leave my card plain. So I'm just going to put my paper up to here. I'm going to cut the gift card holder itself with the card on top, and then these will be white. So you can do it however you like. If you want to make the paper bigger, you can do that too. I just have one sheet of adhesive, so I'm just going to do the top part. Alright, and be careful when you peel your adhesive. You want to make sure everything is covered there. And then I can decide, do I want that side, this side? I think I'm going to go with the polka dot. So you want to put your right side facing the die. I'll put that down in a second. So my right side is going to be facing the die. I know if my adhesive is down here, so I'm going to flip it like that and die cut it. I'm going to take my extended cutting pads. On the big large dies, I like to use the XL plates. That's just me. You don't need to because it will fit with the regular cutting pads. And you know what? If you can't get it through, that means you should probably adjust your plates so that that roller can grab onto it. So see how that's... Alright, come on. There we go. Let's give it a little push. Alright, so now we have our little folder. We have our card that goes inside. Now that did get a little bit of paper on it, but yeah, it had a little bit of the adhesive. So I'm going to leave that on there because I think that's kind of cute. And we have our little tab here. So we're going to take the cutout folder, move this out of the way. And you can see these little score lines here. So all you're going to do is fold over on each of the score lines. Okay, now when we go to put this together, you can use anything. You can use hot glue, you can use wet glue, you could use the adhesive tape. I'm going to use a stapler to put it together just because it's faster. And all you're going to do is fold over the two front. And I like to fold them all the way. And what you're doing is you're breaking the fiber in the paper and you're making it a little bit easier to manipulate. Alright, so we have all these folds. And then I'm just going to take my tiny attacher, and what I do is just staple the two top layers together, and that works fine. Alright, so you have to kind of line this up. Alright, sometimes they want to go, sometimes not. But I'm just going to staple through this, and that's going to hold that together. And then I would probably add a decorative element like a flower or something like that on top. Okay, so here we have it made out of the mat board. Okay, this little pocket, you can glue that on. I like to add a little bit of glue towards the top because then I take my gift card, I tuck it underneath so it's like a little clip, and then you can tuck that inside your folder. So this is three-dimensional. You can use this inside your books as like a little pocket for journaling, cards, or whatever you have, or you can do it as a standalone gift. So there's that. Now I want to show you how to cut it out of paper, and it's the same exact way. We're just going to cut it out of the paper and leave off the mat board. So in fact, what I think I'm going to do is double this and cut 2 of them. Well, no, because we won't have enough. Although we do have an extra strip here. So let's do that. Let's fold this in half. We're going to get 2 of the gift cards, folders, and 1 set of cards. So I'm just going to lay that on top here. And I want to make sure that I cover that whole area. And I'm going to run that through. You're going to get a different look to this, which is really cool because you can use these inside your journals. Okay, so now we have these 2. We have a card and another little tab. So out of a half a sheet, we've gotten quite a bit. All right, so now we're going to fold this up. Now, if you look, you can kind of see that there are score lines in here. You don't even really need them. You can just fold them over because that's where the natural fold would happen anyway. And then fold this over here. And there is one, and that might be the one that doesn't have the fold. And you have this cute little pocket. So if you wanted, you could fold that over and make it into an envelope, or if you want to leave it just like that, again, you can tuck your card in there. And I have some samples that I'd like to show. Let's do it this way so you can see it better. You could have this go that direction. There's all kinds of possibilities here. Just have fun with this. So here you have 2 little folders, a card and a tab. Let me show you some more. Okay, so here are some examples of the gift card folders cut out of paper. And you can see that these have been stamped, stenciled. I'm not exactly sure what she did with these, but they're really cool. They have 3-dimensional flowers on them and the word authentic, which is beautiful. Here's another one, and this one has like a little gift card set inside. Isn't that cute? What a great gift, and tuck a little gift card inside of that. It's like a present within a present within a present. Here's another one, another little pretty gift card and flowers inside. It's just a tiny little adorable set. Another one with the butterfly, more artwork on there. Now here are some that are made out of the mat board. Okay, you can see they're a little bit sturdier, a little stronger, dimensional. And this one has like a little accordion album that she's made with this. And just tuck it back in. And then we have this one, which is inked, and then it's got a embossed flower on here, really pretty, and a little gift card for a babysitting night. So that I love. This is one that we did on a Facebook Live. This one is using vintage papers. This in here is a tissue paper, and then I added lace on the outside here and just tied it and added a little bit more lace. So you can make it whatever style you like. Here's another one that our friend Debbie has made, and this is, she's just taken that extra flap and folded it over to make an envelope, and then she added a little, I think a book, yeah, a little accordion album inside here. So you can see there are just tons of things that you can do with this die. And I hope you will give them a try. You can find them at CraftStash. And there you go. Happy crafting!